Stop, stop.
Let's just stop.
Stop.
Whoa!
Look, it's backing on me.
I don't have any nuts. They're out of my reach. My sack is out of my reach. Oh my hurt thumb. I can't squeeze it together. You're gonna have to cut the audio.
Nah, Will does this pretty often. He's got her figured.
So are we going?
Well, this one's I have to. I can't get him in from the opposite side, you know what I'm saying? Oh! So your tops you'll usually do there. And the other ones you'll run how we did up there.
Morning, everybody. We are at, what job is this? This is Nets. Doing a little water line bore, 16-inch steel encasement, coming across the road for an 8-inch carrier pipe, just a hydrant for this new commercial, some type of, I don't know, shipping, receiving, warehouse type situation, but they need some water. Water's across the road. We've got our bore guy here, and they are they're drilling straight across, and they're gonna drag that encasement back, and pretty cool to watch. Mr. Bill's done a great job. They'll be catching out of this hole hopefully by the end of the day, getting our encasement in, getting our pipe pushed.
It up.
Yeah, dude, your operating nut backed off.
Is that what happened?
Yeah, look.
I don't know.
No. I'm teaching, bub.
Okay.
I ain't saying like you should know. I was sitting here going,
So this is the hold.
it holds the nut down.
Yeah.
So I wanted to just see how tight this was. No, she's good.
I put a quarter turn.
Watch, I'll make it go up.
Yeah. That's almost 200.
Now she won't move.
So do we need to tighten this?
Yes.
Stock it?
Yep. Let's go ahead and
I got it.
here, look, that'll work. Because you don't want it super. This should almost. Here's the thing with these valves, especially these tapping valves. Like everybody thinks, especially when I first started, I was like, oh, all this stuff from the manufacturer ought to come perfect.
Well, it should, but they don't.
But not every 100% time. Everybody's allowed to make mistakes. But these thrust plate bolts, every once in a while they'll come out of leaking. Every once in a while you'll see a little bonnet. I can't say not much on the bonnet, but these thrust plates, but not I can't tell you honestly. I don't think I've ever had that. Maybe once or twice in
The whole time.
a whole bunch of valves. Okay.
Yeah, because it was literally leaking out the front, just right out of the front.
And so, I mean, it tells you, number one, you've either got trash in that seat of that valve, and the first thing I do is I run, before I set them up, I'll run it all the way up and then all the way down, because that way if there's any trash at the top of the gate that's been sitting there from in the yard, it sprinkles down, it's gonna find the way out, you know? As long as you see that needle not moving a whole bunch, you're good there. But like I was saying the other day, you'll have to, and where is this, Springdale, you'll have a plug in here too.
That's what Nate was saying.
And so the best way to do that is always start with your gate up, plug.
And test, because if it doesn't hold, then you're wasting your time.
Exactly, and then you can go straight down with your gate for your second one, not backwards, because that's just a waste of time. You'll never get it settled in while an inspector's standing there. She looks good though.
You have it, but I don't have it, buddy. Shit, I don't want to die like that.